hello guys, welcome in my channel. So in this video gonna talk about how to earn money from freelancing digital marketing, how you can make money through freelancing digital marketing. So we're gonna talk about this in detail. So let's first talk about what is digital marketing freelancer, what kind of tasks and roles do they have, how do get started in a freelance digital marketing. So what is a digital marketing freelancer? A digital marketing freelancer is any digital marketing who runs their own business to help clients. The category is broad, so it can cover all type of marketing that are common today. So digital marketers often wear many hats, and some of their most common activities include writing copy for blogs, web pages, and social media, building website, and helping with design, managing social media accounts and communities, creating advertisement, including copy and visuals, designing visuals such as infographics, creating and editing videos, holding webinars, or running podcasts, running ad campaign and managing ad budgets, developing campaign and marketing strategies for your clients, emailing your client customers and managing email marketing campaign, generating leads and qualifying them, onboarding new clients and managing clients meeting. The day-to-day work of any given digital marketing freelancer can be completely different. Some freelance digital marketing professional and digital marketing consultants focus on creating brand strategies. Others might work with in-house team to create ads that are part of those campaigns. Most digital marketers work with clients daily and communicate regularly. Some many specialized in niche areas such as writing and market research. So how much do freelance digital marketers make money? Remember that large and diverse list of skills you saw earlier. This range of skills within the careers means that freelance digital marketers can earn entirely different according to Zip Recruiter. These independent professionals in the US have annual reviews of revenues of between 22,000 to $127,000. The national average is roughly 69,000 per year, or about $33 per hour. That's high. The more specialized you are, the more you can charge for your services, and focus on high impact areas such as managing large companies for enterprises, or learning the tools to create marketing. Analytics can help you as well to make money through these sites. So there are plenty of ways for digital marketers to make money online too. So these are the ways to make money from freelancing platform by digital marketing for you to make money online too.